So here's how to fix Google Chrome keeps crashing or freezing on Windows 11. First, you want to open Google Chrome and then go to the settings by right-clicking three dots in here and go to settings. And then you want to click on extensions. Now you can also search here or click on the extensions, and you want to disable any extensions that you're not using, such as VPNs or other plugins or extensions that you're not actively using, by disabling them from this checkbox here. And then you can close this window. Next, you want to enable the graphic acceleration by going to settings and then system, and in here you want to make sure that use graphics acceleration when available is enabled, and you want to also continue running the background apps when Chrome is closed. Next, you want to close this one. Now, if this still does not solve the problem for you, what you can do is go back to the settings, and in here you want to reset all the settings back to default by clicking reset settings, which is under system, and in here you want to click restore settings to their original defaults, and that should prompt you to click on reset settings to reset some Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable all the extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data, and that should generally fix the problem. Now, the last solution you can do if that still does not work for you is completely close Chrome. Right-click Windows logo, installed apps, and in here you want to search for Chrome. So you can type Chrome here, and then click on the three dots, click on uninstall to uninstall Chrome, and then you want to do a clean install by opening your Microsoft Edge or any other browser if you have. You can also click on Microsoft Edge in here and search for Google Chrome, and click on the first link here, and in here click on download Chrome, and it should start downloading the installer. Now you want to right click the installer and run it as admin, or you can directly double click on it to start installing Google Chrome. Now once you perform a fresh install, it should fix all the problems. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.